Questions have continued to trail the decision of Honorable Justice E. Oloedo of the Enugu High Court to recuse himself from Hon.Bright Ngene's case when it came up for hearing. Justice Oloedo cited several social media attacks and threats to his life as reasons for stepping down from the matter, which had dragged on for over 1 year. Contrary to the position of his lordship, Justice Oloedo, checks by ATU IT consultant revealed that there was no record of any mention of the judge except on 2 occasions. On 25th September 2025, when the media reported his recusal from the case, and shortly after some individuals protested the continuous incarceration of Honorable Ngene during NBA conference in late August 2025. Google AI and other search engines also showed no evidence of social media attack on his person or family, except for reports by some national dailies relating to another matter before the National Judicial Council (NJC). This raises questions of whether such attack only occurred in dedicated WhatsApp groups.
A judge has said, given the background that she had been subjected to media trial, even before she starts hearing the matter, people have insinuated that she had maybe compromised her position by not hearing this matter.
Be fair to you and the judge, this judge. If we do a content analysis of all media reporters between April and now, you may likely not find the name of this judge on any of those reports.
I don't know.
Because
but
yes,
but for me,
it's also
the
wrong.
one that I know,
yes, it's also wrong to accuse the media wrongly, because we heard this name of Justice Oloedo for the first time last week. There are 2 issues that you have not responded to. One is that 2 petitions were sent to the CJ, and the 2 petitions, in each of the occasions, the legal team of Bright Ngene wanted to know why the case had not been assigned. If this case was assigned in April, as we are meant to believe today, why didn't the CJ reply that this particular case has been assigned to Justice Oloedo's court? That is number 1. The second question, sir, is this.
Please, can I beg you? Yes, I don't work in the CJ's office. I do not answer for the movement of the correspondence between whoever and the CJ.
Answer the second one. The name of this judge.
So there was never a time, I can't recall any from any print media or whatever media, I have not seen her name mentioned as regards this case up to this very moment. The only time I think I heard her name mentioned on this case was after the peaceful protest that went on when the Nigerian Bar Association had their conference here in Enugu State. After that protest, we were now told that the case had been assigned to Justice Oloedo. We had to dispense justice on this very case. Justice Oloedo, with all due respect, from my own office, her name was not mentioned because we didn't even know that she was assigned that case.
ATU can authoritatively report that many journalists and Hon.Bright Ngene's legal team only became aware that the case was assigned to Justice Oloedo's court in late August 2025. This decision by Justice Oloedo comes about 200 days after Justice C.O. Aja of same Enugu High Court failed to deliver a final verdict on the last scheduled judgment day. Our judicial correspondent, Kindness Chukwuma, who was present in court, reports that emotions ran high among Honorable Ngene's family, the media, and legal experts who believed that there was more to the case than meets the eye.
I am standing right at the front of Justice E. Oloedo Court, where the case of Barrister Bright Ngene came up for hearing. The judge suddenly excused herself, saying that she could not continue due to some social media harassment. The matter will now wait until a new judge is named to handle it. This is one of the most sensational trials in the history of Enugu State, as many believe it has political undertone.
In line with our constitutional duty as a media house, our audience demands answers to 2 key questions. 1. If the judge had allegedly been vilified in the media for months over Hon.Bright Ngene's case, how is it that the legal team and the general public were unaware that the case had been reassigned to a new judge. 2. Since Honorable Ngene's legal team had written twice to the Chief Judge of Enugu State, pleading for the case to be reassigned after Justice Aja recused himself, how then did the allegation of media attack arise against a judge who was never publicly mentioned? African Telecast United will continue to uphold the Constitution, which guarantees that the media shall at all times remain free to hold any individual or organization accountable.